Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today's video gonna be fairly simple because I gonna share three websites from where you can get mockups. Like you can download a tons of mockups for free, and they have all kinds of mockups. So let me just share those websites. So as for at first we have mockup tree. Now in mockup tree you have both paid and free. What I have seen so far, like there are not just free plugins, but yeah, most of them are free. As you can see, free download. Okay, most of them are free, and here you can have everything. Now Placeit is not a mockup. Like Placeit is a online tool for mockups, so obviously you can visit there. But rather than that, here are some mockups. As you can see it here, most of them are free. Okay, I haven't browsed through all of the mockups, and now here you have sections of some basic similar, like basic standard mockups. Apple devices, branding for T-shirt, book, business card, blah blah blah, magazines, outdoor mockup at well, like billboards, banner, calendar. Then product mockups, bag, tote bags, bottles, miscellaneous, and other things. I and they are fairly good. Like they are really good about mockups. The quality of the mockups are really good. I have used one of them, and I really like them. Here you can see a mural mockup also. See, this is also free to download. Actually, wait. I think this site provides everything for free. Let's see. We will find it out. If you find something paid, let me know. Okay. And here you can search whatever you wanna create mockup for. That's it about this website. Let's go to our next website, that is Mockup World. And Mockup World, yeah, in Mockup World some are free and some are paid. As you can see, some are free, and here is link tip. Here also the same thing. Here you can get a lots of categories, and here more categories. Here vehicles, beverage, iPad, Apple Watch, everything is there. And here are all of the categories that they have already listed here rather than here. And free mockup, they have free mockup versions, and no Photoshop also. But no Photoshop, yep, no Photoshop browser based mockups. As you can see here, they are not bringing you to, like, they are also here bringing you to place it as well. So browser free mockups, you can get it one in one time, just in one place, that is place it. Here place it as also. Yeah, so yep, tons of mockups here as well, as you can see them. Now what I have seen that those are basically mockup directories. Some of the links can take you to other pages where it will get downloaded, like the exact source of the page. And some of them are downloadable through here as well. Okay, now let's come to our last website, that is free mockup, base free mockups as well. And as you can see here, here is also place its ad. Whatever, here are tons of categories as well from where you can choose from. And yep, here are really great, some of the great mockups. Oh, this is great, right? And you can directly click on go to download, and you get, yep, download for free from here. This is really great, right? So yeah, those are some mockups, and here are those categories. Here is search bar as well, so you can search for any of the mockups as well. That's it. Oh, do this? Yes, this also have search bar. So that's it. That's it for this video. Nothing else. Here we have, no, not in the placeit section. Yep, here we have all of the things. So that's it. That's it for this video. I know time to times we need a lots of mockups, so you can obviously visit here and download whichever you may like, and that's it. If you know about some of the great apps or websites like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, and please like this video as well if it produce some value in your life. So please, Rather than that, bye for now.